Hi. This is a video how to setting APN Pocket Wi-Fi W06. Let's check it out. Step 1. Turn on Pocket Wi-Fi. Then go to About. Then SSID and password. Step 2. Take your cell phone or laptop, then connect with Pocket Wi-Fi. Make sure it is connected to Pocket Wi-Fi. Enter Wi-Fi password. Step 3. Open the browser application on your cell phone or laptop. Then type this address. Step 4. Change the Japanese to English in the Languages column, if the menu still uses Japanese language. Step 5. Enter username and password. For username is admin, and password is the last 5 digits of the email number listed on the back of the body pocket. Step 6. Go to Menu Settings, then WAN Settings, and then Profile Settings. Step 7. Click New, then you must fill in profile name, APN or access point name, username, password. Fill in like this video. Step 8. Click Save, wait about 3 seconds and continue. Step 9. Check your pocket again. Go to the setting. Then Profile Management menu, select the option named that you created in Step 7, and make sure you have ticked it. Step 10. Go back to Menu Settings, Network Settings, WAN, and click High Speed Plus Area Mode option. Click OK for switching mode. And don't forget to check it again if the mode has changed. Return to the home screen on your pocket, and wait for your pocket to search for an automatic signal for a while. Wait for the signal to come out by itself, and the pocket is ready to use.
If the signal has appeared, you can connect to the pocket Wi-Fi again.